Hey y'all, Blessed by Breeze is here. If y'all want to know how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Let's get into it. These edges. I'm running out of this, so don't have any. So I'm about to take some alcohol. I think it's like 91%. The stronger I prefer, but I don't. Alright, so this wig, originally, the frontal got like split in half. I'm not about to explain how, because it's a crazy story. So I had to replace it with another frontal that I had. So that's what's in here right now. It look pretty cool though. I think I made it a little too dark with the makeup I put in here, because I got this little elephant stick right here, and it's like you put it on the inside of your wig so it, will be your color. And I guess it's a little too dark for me. Well, I'm hoping it's not. I'm about to find out right now. I'm about to try this bitch on. Alright, now I be liking a guide sometimes. So you can be able to see the little marks, and I'm just about to put some glue underneath. Another little layer of alcohol, just in case. I like my wiggies sweet down. So I use the Erica J. The truth. I use the skin guard, but I couldn't find the skin guard. I like my forehead to be gone, so don't come for me. You want to make sure that you put it, a good distance away from your hairline, or your edge is gonna be gone. We know, we all know. So you're gonna grab you maybe like a popsicle stick, maybe like the end of like a comb, like with a little scalp on it, or you can grab you whatever the fuck you want, because that's exactly what I do. So I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm using the Erica J. Yes, ma'am. And I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this glue all the way down, put little droplets, and then I'm gonna rub it in. And if any of the glue does end up on your edges, you're gonna have to make sure to take it off very carefully, because like I said, it can, the glue can cause you to lose your edges if you just end up pulling the wig out, if you're one of them kind of girls. I'm one of them girls that just pull my wig off, but I make sure to do it properly, because one thing about me, I love my edges. You feel me? And you see how I didn't even need to put my blow dryer on it all, so they're already clear, except kind of this side. So I'm gonna use a little bit to get us through. Grab a comb, something like that. Your hands also work the best, like that's some kind of lace melter. Your hands, okay. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is pull my wig down, and I still see my guides. So I'm gonna start off with the middle, and still make sure it's lined up, just because I don't have a middle part to really tell. We're gonna lay the wig right above the glue. If we need to go back in to glue, that's exactly what we're gonna do. But I'd rather go back in than have a whole bunch of extra residue up on my forehead. Okay, that's how you're just gonna press it in with your hands. Like I said, the best melter right there is your hands. Your hands gonna come through every time. So what you're gonna do with like these little lifting up pieces up in the front, just grab a little bit on your rat tail comb and lay that down. And you're gonna put the same amount of layers as you put, as you first laid it down. In my case, I'm putting like 2 or 3. I just cut it a little bit off camera. You want to make sure that you're cutting it in like a little, like, kind of jagged motion, so it's not perfect. You can also use a razor too. Alright, we got her right on. Still look a little crazy. It's okay, we're gonna fix that. So, love this. Been using this recently. Of course, and all the girls been using it too. I put a little bit. Damn, she's sticky. God damn, it's hot. Take some on my finger and just put it right up on that lace. And you already know we are going in with the, just lay it right down where you need it. Get this beautiful curl out of the way. Real, gotta make sure it's tight. You going with the second band. This one's ripped, so don't come for me again. It still does what it needs to do. Yep. Alrighty, and we will be back once my girl is melted down. Alright. Alright, so we are going to make some edges now. Alright, took the curls out. Honestly, the curls is not curling, but I'm feeling it. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling. Anyway, if y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share. It's kind of my first full video. Hope y'all see my little shorts that I've been making. Alright, so when I took the curls out, I feel like the curls are really, not all of them are curling how I want to. And it's crazy because I actually have them overnight. But it's all good. We are going to go in with my T3 single pass curling iron, and we are going to try to hook her up with some sexier body curls. Okay, added some makeup to the part too, so look a little bit better. I'll be right back. I was gonna recurl it. I might as well not curl it overnight because I spend my hard time curling overnight. But it's all good. It's all good. In the hood, because we gonna get her right. We are gonna get her right looking. Okay, so there's that curl. Okay, gorgeous. Let's try the fingers first. I think we're living for this. Girlies, y'all let me know what y'all think. We're living for it. Did y'all believe I got this wig 2 years ago? Alright, y'all. Bye. I thank you so much for watching, y'all. If y'all can go ahead and follow me on all my social media platforms, I'm gonna make sure to insert them down underneath. So go ahead and follow, like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching. More to come.